Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to the AK Mafia. It's your girl, Alessa K, back with another banger. So as you read by the title, I will be showing you how I install my 16-inch curly wig that I have got off of Amazon. And I don't have the stuff. Well, I didn't get it off of Amazon personally. I got it for a Christmas gift. But I don't think I have like the girl's info or anything. You know, the one that provided the wig. But I'm going to show y'all how I do it. And if y'all have watched my previous video on when I did my deep conditioners and everything like that and washed my hair, this is where we are at. And there are reasons why I have parted my hair like this. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna condition my hair. So I got my knot on my watch, I got my clinch, and they both by Aunt Jackie, and I also have my Lotta Body, my foamy mousse. So you already know, let me get into the video. So what I'm gonna start doing is taking down my braids. Okay, so I'm gonna brush it out from the roots to end. It's already detangled, as you have watched in my last video, so it's really nothing to worry about. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the length that we're at. So I'm gonna start off with this knot today, right here, and it's not even open. So that means I gotta open the other one as well. You just wipe that on the wig because it does need to be moisturized. Let me open this one as well. I already know it's not even open. Oh, it was kinda. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the knot today. There we go. This is how much I use. Because a little goes a long way when it comes to the leave-in conditioners, and I definitely don't want I really don't want my hair to feel weighed down. So that's why I only put a little bit in there. And then I'm gonna do the same quarter size, just like that. And I'm gonna add it to my hair as well. The green one is a little bit thicker, just because I don't know why. Because they're both leave-in conditioners, but I think the green one is more for like curls. Yeah. Break this back. Keep it in my way. I don't feel like going to go get a hair tie. And of course it's gonna fall right back. Let me get a hair tie because this is irritating. Yes. And then we are going to add the mousse. That's how much I use. Only a quarter. Because with this, it really goes a long way with this as well. And yes, I have really thick, curly hair. So that gets tangled rarely easy. And since I usually blow dry my hair out, but as of today, I'm gonna try to do the no heat, but I'm still gonna be like doing wigs and stuff. But as I'm braiding it back, I usually try not to, you know, tangle it back up. So I use my brush and I brush it out again, and then I continue braiding. And that's why I parted my braids like this. So basically how like the twists were and the braids were over here, that's why I parted it like that. So when you're trying to do like a quick, easy hairstyle that you want to do and you get done washing your hair, you can do it. And you don't have to do all that parting and stuff. So I make it quick and easy for me to do it. And it's always worked for me. So I'm going to finish braiding these and then I'm going to come back to the video. Okay, I'm back. Don't judge the hair, but I did get it braided back. So now we are going to install the wig. And look what happened to my Lotta body. It just spilled. Like the cap was on and it leaked out. So I'm about to take this back and be like, this leaked out and some more because I'm irritated. But no, so this is the wig. So let me put it on. Okay, actually, let me unsnap the back actually. There we go. Okay. Let me make sure my braids is in. Other one. Oh, there it is. There. Okay. And then let me, where my hair tie go? Whew, I don't know where it went, but well, let me tie this up, and then we're gonna attach these right here. Make sure I pull this up a little bit more forward. And then we're gonna attach to the back. There we go. Okay. And this is where my Lotta body comes in at. Even though it's halfway gone. This part's still dry. Hang on. Put some over here. Okay, I think that's enough that I should put in there, but this is what it looks like. Hopefully the back does not look too dry, but I love how this looks. Period. What? This is really cute and I love it. I just don't like how this goes over my ear. And this one, there we go, we fixed it. So period. But yes, y'all, so I hope y'all like the results. This is a really cute wig and it's from Amazon, so like I honestly love it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell to catch all of my bangers that I will be dropping. And don't forget that I'll catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.